Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Koenig Arius here with me, and we're gonna try to do a little bit of maintenance to clean it up and see if we can perfect this action over here. So, beautiful, simple construction, T8. This is all you're gonna need to take this guy apart, because the pivot is D-shaped, keyed in, so you don't need two. You're just gonna need one on this side. Just be careful when you do it, because this is blue anodized titanium, so you don't want to scratch these beautiful screws up. You just undo the pivot right there. This is gonna be super easy, pretty straightforward operation. Just keep this pinched so it doesn't fall apart like that. Look at this, very nicely indeed construction. This is out. So I like to use these swabs, like alcohol swabs over here. They're nice, the right size for this job over to do, like, pretty easy. You can start by cleaning this area. All right, clean here. Nice stainless steel insert going on. Clean that up. Clean the lock face insert. Nicely done. Just clean the bearing. It's a plastic cage, but ceramic bearings going on, so very nice. That's why the action is so smooth, guys. But let's see if we can do a little bit better. Okay, nice pivot. Second bearing is out. Nice and clean now. All right, and let's just clean also this side of the pivot. Beautiful. Just clean the lightning pocket. Guys, check this out. This is nicely skeletonized, like pretty heavily skeletonized in order to reduce the weight. Let's clean also this side of the pivot. Very good. Let's also clean up this area around the tang of the blade to remove any gunk, any little impurity, and just using like a microfiber cloth to dry it out. Also over here, like that, and also here and here as well. Very good. So let's go backwards. Basically, let's use a little bit of 10 weight nano oil right over here. There you go. This is one, and bearing is gonna be in like that. Let's do maybe, yeah, let's just do a little bit just around the pivot area over here. Okay. But actually, since this has a D-shaped pin which is keyed in on the presentation side, we are going to use this side first as our base and just lube a little bit around here, and just a couple drops, just like so, just around the pivot. Okay, and then the bearing is gonna go in like that, and we are going to lube as well this area here. Done. All right, so this guy can be like that. Nice. The stop pin is integrated into the blade. Nicely done. This is in. Perfect, like that. You just turn it over, and we're gonna use first, this goes actually here, and it's gonna screw in right into the back spacer, and second screw is in like that, and also that is gonna screw in into the backspacer. We're gonna take care of those later. So first of all, now we're gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite around this pivot. Okay, like that, just a little bit. Okay, so beautiful construction, guys. Really simple. You don't need 2 screwdrivers. So for now, let's just do not super tight, just like that. We're gonna check that out later. And now I like to keep it closed and do also these, because I'm sure they will benefit of just a little touch of blue Loctite, so you're sure that this is gonna be fine. So you can tighten down, not too much. You don't want to strip this beauty, of course, and yeah, just a little bit also right over here, and that's in. Just tighten that. All right, that's beautiful. This is done. So let's check the action. It's too tight. All right, so you just do unscrew just a little bit. Go, and just make sure the lube is spread nicely. It's very nice. Blade play 0. I like to use some heavyweight nano oil for the detent ball, just a very small drop. This is 85 weight, and just make sure that it rubs up against the detent ball track. And look at this. Oh yeah, feels a little bit smoother. It was already awesome, guys, but it feels pretty beautiful. This thing is tough to put down. 0 blade play. Oh yeah, this is smooth. All right, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.